Digital marketing refers to the use of digital channels, platforms, and technologies to connect with current and potential customers, where they spend a significant portion of their time online. Unlike traditional marketing, digital marketing allows for precise targeting, real time data analysis, and cost effective campaigns. Its key components include website marketing, search engine optimization, content marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, PPC advertising, affiliate marketing, influencer marketing, analytics, and data analysis. A well designed website is the foundation of a digital marketing. It serves as a hub where customers can learn about a business, its products, and services. Search engine optimization involves optimizing a website's content and structure to rank higher in search engine results pages. This drives organic unpaid traffic to a website. Content marketing includes blogs, articles, videos, infographics, and more. Leveraging social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn to connect with customers, build a brand presence, and drive traffic. Sending targeted emails to a list of subscribers to promote products, share updates, and nurture customer relationships. Running paid ads on search engines like Google Ads or social media platforms like Facebook ads to reach a specific audience and drive immediate traffic. Partnering with affiliates who promote your products or services and earn a commission on each sale they generate. Collaborating with social media influencers to promote products or services to their engaged audiences. Using tools like Google Analytics to track and analyze user behavior, campaign performance, and conversion rates. In order to strategize digital marketing, customer needs to define its objectives clearly. This could be done by setting specific, measurable, achievable, relatable, and time bound goals, which are known as SMART. In these goals, you need to understand what you want to achieve through digital marketing, whether it's increasing website traffic, generating leads, or boosting sales. By developing detailed buyer personas to understand your target audience's needs, preferences, and pain points, tailor your content and campaigns to resonate with them. Creating valuable, informative, and engaging content provide solutions to your audience problems. Consistency and relevance are key aspects. Investment in search engine optimization improves your website's visibility in search engine results. Use relevant keywords, optimize meta tags, and focus on your user experience. You can use social media platforms where your audience is most active. Engage with your followers, share valuable content, and run targeted ad campaigns. Build and segment your email list. Send personalized and relevant content to nurture leads and convert them into customers. However, invest wisely in paid and social media advertising. Set clear budgets, target the right audience, and continuously optimize your campaigns for better returns. Regularly analyze data and performance metrics to identify areas for improvement and to adjust your strategies accordingly. Ensure that your website and content are mobile friendly. A significant portion of online traffic comes from mobile devices. Digital marketing is an ever evolving landscape that offers businesses a powerful tool to reach and engage their target audience. By understanding the key components and implementing effective strategies, businesses can unlock the full potential of digital marketing to achieve their goals, drive growth, and build lasting customer relationships. In the digital age, adaptation, innovation, and customer centric approach will be essential for success in this dynamic field.